Hey guys, today's video is how to set up TTS using channel points. I've been working with a fellow streamer to push this out to the community to improve interaction. The coding genius Isaiah has figured this one out for you boys, and I found any problems and issues with the TTS that will cause it to break. So let's get right into it. To start off with, you might want to set up some OBS and OBS Streamlabs scenes, any scenes. For example, I've got a blank. You want to set up some scenes, which I've just shown you there. Obviously, the main one is the stream one, and we'll get back to sources later. So if you click the first link in the description, which will take you to Isaiah's website, what you do is you sign in. When you sign in, this will you obviously use your username and password to log in like normal Twitch, and then it will ask you to allow something, just allow it, and you'll come to Isaiah's nicely designed website. This is his chat room, this is his stream, so yeah, this is his website. So when you're at this screen, you basically click your little profile picture, you click your dashboard, and what you do from here, you do tick this box here, which isn't ticked for most people, so you just tick it and then save settings. After you've done that, you can move down to text-to-speech settings. You could change Brian to anything you want. For example, Justin, Emma, Joey, Amy, don't know how to pronounce the name, and Turkish one just for me, because his eyes are a very nice man. After you've set up that and you change the volume to what you like, you save settings again. And after you save settings, you could click bind TTS to a reward. This binds to your channel points basically. So to do that, you'll go to your Twitch page, which I have here, and you can click this channel points bit here. The channel points are only for affiliates, so if you're not an affiliate or a partner, you can't do this, unfortunately. So when you've clicked this bit, you could, after you clicked bind, so you click bind, my bad, you could bind, and then you could click this and bind it like that. But if you haven't got this already set up, so you go here, if you haven't set it up, go manage rewards, then you click manage rewards again, create, and call this TTS for example, or text to speech, don't need to give a description. Allow the viewer to enter chat, and then put an amount. For mine, I put around 500, which is decent to drain people's channel points. So yeah, after you've done that, you click create obviously, but I've done that already, so I don't have to. After you create it, you go back to this page again, and you click text to speech and bind. It wouldn't say that when you've redeemed your points. It wouldn't say that because I already got it set up in OBS, as you can see here, TTS. So after you bind it, you go back to here. It'll say success. You have bound to text to speech, and then click close, save settings. After you saved it, obviously this would be here, telling you that you have saved it. Then you'll scroll up, and you'll get this blurred out dashboard. It will give you a URL for the TTS. So what you do, you copy this, you come to your sources, so you go to your stream one, and then you go to your sources, you'll click the plus sign at the bottom, and then you'll do browser. Then on this page, you would name this TTS for example. Name this TTS, and then you click OK. Then you paste the URL where the OBS URL would be. So sorry for the thing on the screen, I could minimize that actually. Yoink, minimized. So you could you paste the link here, then click OK. I'm actually gonna remove that because I don't need it. Oh, I clicked rename by accident. What a noob. Remove. Yes, you don't have to remove it. You just put this link that is invisible for me for now, because so you guys can't see it. You copy that link, and then you put it in a browser source. When you've done that, obviously, it would be fine. You've successfully set it up. So to test that you actually set up, you go back to your channel, you go back to your points, channel points, you do TTS, and then you test it, for example, saying, hey. And that's you successfully done. Obviously, if that doesn't work after you've put it into your sources, you'll go back to the description and then click the second link, which would be the logout link. You can log out and then try from the beginning. Obviously, make sure you bind it first before you log out. Bind everything first and double check that you've done it properly. If you haven't done it properly, you could just rebind it and then go back here and then redo everything from here. But obviously, if it hasn't worked and you've done everything correctly, just log out and do it again. Any other problems, you'll come to my streams or Isaiah streams and stuff like that. But let's say you're midstream and your TTS breaks. What you do, you right click it on the sources, you click properties, and this will bring you to this here, and you'll just click refresh cache of current page, and then you click OK. After you click this, you click OK, and it'll fix your TTS if it breaks midstream. Any other problems apart from those two I've stated already, you could come to my channel, which is this one, tech_panda_ on twitch.tv. I stream every day, 12 till 4:35 basically, and then I have a second stream, but most likely won't have a second stream after Corona. So I'll be here from 12 till 4:30, and if I'm not on at this time, obviously there's Isaiah that streams as well. Look at this beautiful man right here. He's gonna appear in 2 seconds. Here he is. Here's the mastermind behind TTS. You could come to him, ask him in chat. If neither of us are online, I'm gonna drop both of our Discord links in the description. And yeah. So anything else, just come to our Twitch or come to our Discords, and I could help you guys, and I could help you guys with any other problems you guys have. So thank you for watching. Make sure to check us both out on Twitch. Me and Isaiah, we're both on Twitch. I'll drop the links in the description for make it easier for you. Much love. Make sure to click that subscribe and like and everything else. And I hope to see you guys in my next stream if you guys appear, or I see you guys in my next video if you subscribed. Thank you for watching, and have a great night or a great rest of your day. Peace.